everybody, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. I want to talk to you about our referral program that we offer. Most of you may have actually been referred to our office, but anytime you refer somebody to our office, you're actually automatically put into a drawing that we do about once a year. So this drawing, we typically give away thousands of dollars worth of stuff during this drawing because referrals are just the best types of patients. You know, they come in with a little bit of trust already because you've been to us, all the weird, unique things that we do. You're the ones that are explaining that to them because obviously we're not your traditional doctor's office or chiropractic office. We want to reward you. We started doing this a few years ago and it's just been a lot of fun. Usually we'll give away a couple dozen supplements, some of our favorite formulas that we use for impacting people's lives, and many times we'll give away some sort of a combination of maybe food processors, grills. We've given away Vitamixes, blend tech blenders, some really nice kind of healthy gifts for you to reward you for sending your friends and family and coworkers to us. You know, we appreciate the trust and we will absolutely do everything in our power to help these people that you care about. So we appreciate that. So we want to reward you. So we do these about once a year. Whether you know about it or not, you're automatically put into this drawing. When somebody comes in, then they say that you referred them to our office. Now, a lot of people don't realize also our current patients, you're able to send your friends and family and coworkers in at a discounted rate. So you guys know our basic exam, the starting point that we use for everybody, our basic starting point is over a $600 process that we provide people. By the time we include our time, over $300 worth of testing that we do, we charge them less than $100 currently for that referral when you send them to our office. So they're going to get all of that stuff for a very, very discounted price, just so we can see if they're in the right place, if we can help them. So we thank you again for all your referrals. Now, we also have some situations where you can offer some of your friends and family a free laser, where we have them fill out paperwork, they come in and we do a complimentary laser session on them without any fee involved with that if they're a right fit. So it's just for them to meet us and test out the lasers. So again, we appreciate your referrals. All the people you send in will get a discounted exam rate. That whole initial process will be discounted, as well as some people will be eligible for just coming in to try the laser complimentary.